You've heard this subject probably 50 times by now. And if I ask you tomorrow what we talked about for the last 5 days, no one will remember. And that's the beauty. That's the beauty of Kali Yuga. That every moment is a new moment, and every knowledge is new knowledge. So, being a little bit impatient by my birthplace, and get a little easily bored and want changes fast, it's a little austere. But since we did study a lot, and we want to share whatever little bits we've collected, after glorifying and from all great acharyas in a type of descending order from Sri Jiva Goswami to Vishnu Chakravarti to Srila Prabhupada to Junior baby. So this is, it's nice because you can never hear enough about Krishna. How many people have been speaking Bhagavad Saptahas for how many years in India, and how many thousands of people still go to hear? It's eternal. It's nitya. There's always a Shukadev Goswami, and there's always rishis and sages listening. It goes on forever because Krishna's eternal. There's a lot of these flies, they like to wear Radhakund tilak, it seems like. Oh, this is very sweet. It must be because it's Radharani's kunkum and all these things. When Radharani bathes in Radhakund, then her kunkum from her breast washes off, and her kajal from her eyes, and her kasturi make, designs, and all of those cosmetics and all those decorations and ointments and chandan, sandalwood paste, they all wash off her divine body and move their way down to the mud. And then Babas and devotees, they throw a bucket with a rope and they pull along the bottom, toot, 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 toot. And you go tap, 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 and then it catches. You get a big balti full of Radharani's prasadi. Then you put it on, like Krishna came here looking for Radharani. Krishna came here as Gauranga in Radha's Bhav, looking for Krishna. It's a little confusing sometimes, at least for me. So then when Krishna discovered Radhakund, then in Radha Bhav, Radharani likes everything that's black. Why? Because Krishna is black. So she wears a black sari and has black ointments and black makeup, and she one of her great favorite girlfriends that she talks to every day without fail. There's 16,000 gopis, but this girlfriend, she makes sure she talks to her every single day. And at the beginning, she starts her day off with the morning news, the daily news, the Dainak Jagaran. And the Dainak Jagaran, the daily news, is brought to Radharani's ears. The sweet news of Krishna's pastimes of milking the cows and waking up, etc., is brought by Shamala Sakhi.